evening to everyone. This is the Power of Healing with Utabi. Ungowekhethelo. Yo, it's been long. I hope ningene kahle enyakeni omusha wonke umuntu. Umphefumulo nenyama isahlangene. Siyabonga nje lokho ukuthi sibone unyaka omusha. Siphinde sihlangane futhi. I know I haven't uploaded a lot of videos with this spiritual teaching, and reason for that is why I made this video for today, or this is why I made the video today, or this video particularly. Bekunabantu bebeli bebengibuza ukuthi agogo wase uthula singasakuboni wenze njani. I'm still on recovery, but okubaluleke kakhulu engifuna ukukhuluma ngakho ngingezi ukukhuluma kade futhi isikhathi sokuzila mawumuntu kamoya. Kunesikhathi sokuzila mawumuntu kamoya, hayi lokuzila sikujwayele kokudla mangabe mhlawumbe uzilela ukukhuleka or uzilela mhlawumbe ukuthi uyosebenza, kodwa kunalokuzila okwenzayo ngisho usebenza especially mawusebenza ngabantu. Ukuzila yonke into, uzile ngisho umsebenzi, ukuyiqonde wena ngoba kunama storms othi mawudlula kuwo kudinga ukuthi step back bese uyaziqonda, uzithole, you heal bese uyazithola, so that ungaze ube yisikhali kwabanye abantu, ube yisikhali esilimazayo. Ngoba into ebuhlungu ngathi bantu bakamoya, as much as sihila siyakwazi nokudestroya futhi. So kuba lula ukudestroya kithi. So mawusesimeni esingesona nawe uzizwa ukuthi angisiyimi, uyaye uthathe step back, uzame ukuphola, uzame ukuyithola, uzothi mawubuye ebantwini ubuye uyi-medicine instead of i-poison. So ngisesekuleyo phase yokuzila. Yes, bengishilo ngathi ngizobuya ngisebenze, kodwa kuzoba mhlambe khona engisazoqhela kukho, ngoba kwakona ukuzila lokhu mawukwenza awusukeleki nje uthi mawusukile sobona ukuthi seku-right, or mhlambe bese sowuvela uthatha izinto zonke uyayisebenzisa. Kuqalwa phansi futhi uhlambulule izinto zakho, ngoba izinto zikamoya lezi ezikufuna ube sesimeni sikamoya. So inkinga esinayo-ke ngesithunywa ileyo ukuthi isithunywa sifuna ukuhlambulula noma ukuhlambuluka. Emoyeni mawungekho muhle, kuyadingeka ukuthi masowubuyela ey'thunyweni zakho bese kuba ngathi yonke into ungayihlambulula kabusha. So kulokuzila kwami ngike ngathatha izinto zabantu abadala, noma ngathatha izinto ngathi ukuzibekela eceleni ukuze zingadungeki esimeni engikuso. Futhi uyaye uhoqise nokukhuluma nabantu isikhathi eside, ngoba ungagcina uyibona sowukhuluma izinto ezingafanele. Yabona nolaka lomuntu wabantu abadala alifani nje nomuntu onormal. So uyaye uzama ukuthi uzibuyise kancane kancane. It takes long, guys, and that is why sanikezwa nokubekezela. It takes long, but you have to go through the process. Ungayimbathisi, ungayikhavi. Kuney'londa ezingadingekile ukuthi uy'khave, kuney'londa ey'dinga ukuthi ziphole. So ngikuleyo phase-ke, so ningamangali uma ngingaveli njalo. I still engage with people when necessary, when kunezinto abafuna mhlambe ukuthi ngiba-guide and ngiba-advise kuzo or mentor them in some of the things. I still do that, but with limited time. So kubalulekile abantwana basekhaya ukuthi uthi masowuzilile bese uqala ufane njengomuntu ogezwa kabusha. Awuvele nje udonsa iy'nduku nezembatho oyayiphiwa zona namabhayi owaphiwa wona bese ubuyele akusebenzi kanjalo. So ngikuleyo ngathi phase or process. So asiy'fundiseni ukuphola. Kunzima-ke ukuphola, akulula ukuphola. Healing is something that a very fragile if not handled correctly. I-healing iyakwazi ukuthi kuthatha isikhathi, asisho njalo, kuthatha isikhathi ukuthi uphakame, yabo, ube the very same way. You don't rush the process. Yekela isimo sidile nawe, yekela kunalapho ekufanele kuyekelele khona izinto ziziranele by itself. Into yabantu abadala injalo, kunezinto lapho okufanele kuyekelele khona bese bona badlala indima yabo. So yeah, uGogo Thabi is still on that process. uGogo Thabi is still in the process of growth futhi, because as you go through a lot of things kunaley'thunywa ey'thunyelwayo kuwe ekufanele ukuthi nazo nawe ube umntwana kuzo. Yabona abantu abazofike nawe as much as uyi-guardian. Angithi thina singaba amakhosi, so noma nawe udlule ey'ntweni kuthunyelwa amakhosi ngey'ndlela ey'thize ukuthi akudlulise kuleyo nto leyo. Hence I said kuyadingeka ukuthi uzimamele kwawena, uzithole kwawena. So yeah, ngiyathemba ukuthi u-2026 uzoniphatha kahle. Siyathemba ukuthi uzosiphatha kahle, okungafani nonyaka odlulile. Unyaka odlulile ube ney'nto zawo ney'gigaba zawo, but then siyakhula and we grow every day, every minute. So yeah, ngiyanithanda kakhulu and I hope sizobonana maduze ke.